Hello everyone, I am Vikas from FitKids. Today we are going to learn tapping the air ball. We'll start with the warm up. First warm up drill is butt kicks, which we have already practiced in our previous session. We'll use ball for our next warm up drill, that is in foot turn, where I'm using my inner part of the foot, contacting exactly at the center of the ball. Move in a circular pathway using your right inner foot with the ball. Non-kicking foot should also change its position as ball move in a circular pathway. Slightly bend your non-dominant foot while doing this drill. Keep the ball on circular pathway. Do not let the ball go out of your control. When we use our left inner part of the foot, we move in a clockwise direction as I am showing in the video. It's easy to have a control on the ball if we bend our non-dominant foot when we are moving the ball in a circular pathway. I am showing you in the next warm-up drill, that is tuck jump, where I need to raise my knee up as much as possible, keeping my upper body straight, touching my knees to the chest. Tuck jumps improves our jumping and also strengthen our thigh muscles. I am showing you the next warm-up drill, that is out foot turn, where I am using my outer part of the foot to go around to move in a circular pathway. In this drill, the non-dominant foot has to follow the dominant foot, which is touching the ball continuously. Keep the ball under control and keep the ball in a circular pathway. Foot should be quick and the touches should be soft. We need to use our outer part of the foot exactly at the center. Once we practice using our right, now we are practicing using our left feet. We are using the skills which we have practiced in the previous classes for our warm up. So we'll now move to the next drill, that is split jumps. We have done some of the drills related to cardio. We'll now stretch our body. First stretching is side lunge stretch, where we stretch our hamstring, back and thigh muscle. Try to keep your back straight, flex your trunk and face to the side and feel the stretch on your hamstring and back. If you are facing to your left leg should form a 90-degree angle. We shall stretch our groin now. Bend your knees, flex your shoulders to the side, keep your trunk straight and tight. Open your knees outward. Your toe point should point outwards and put the pressure using your elbows to your knees to feel the stretch on your groin. We have completed our quick warm up. We'll move to the next part of our session, that is skill practice. Our topic for today is tapping the air ball. We'll first practicing using our lace part. We toss the ball and use our lace part to tap the ball at the bottom of the ball. Do not toss it too much high. Keep it to your chest level, close to your body. Touch should be close to you so that you can catch the ball and repeat the drill. Keep your ankle flexible when you are contacting the ball. Avoid touching your fingers to the ball. You may get injured. Or if your lace part facing forward, ball may go in front, which may not return to you at the expected spot. Flexing our knees, contact at the bottom, and proper lace part contact is very important. This will help you to keep the ball close to your body, and proper weight exerted on the ball will help you to keep the ball to the certain height. Keeping all the teaching points in mind, we'll now try to do it faster. We'll now move to the next skill, that is tapping the ball using our inner part of the foot. The same teaching point applies in this skill. We need to use your inner part of the foot instead of lace part, but keep the ball in a certain height. If the contact is at too low, ball may go away from your body. You may lose your ball control. We need to flex our knees inside to get inner part of the foot contact on the ball. Once you get a good coordination, you can try to do it faster. Try to be on your active toes as I'm showing in the video, and challenge yourself for 30 seconds. We have completed two skills, that is lace part and inner part of the foot to tap the ball. We also use this skill to place the ball or control the air ball. We'll move to the third skill, that is tapping using our thigh. We need to lift our thigh forming a 90-degree angle. Tap the ball by putting proper weight on the ball to keep the ball low. Contact should be exactly on your thigh muscle, just behind your knee. When there is a contact on the ball, maintain a proper angle so that ball stays close to your body at certain height. Maintain your upper body posture straight and toss the ball to your chest level. Tossing the ball too much high or not using age appropriate ball may hurt your thigh muscle. The leg which you are using to tap the ball should be a step back as I am doing it now. Keeping all the teaching points in mind, practice it for a while and use both the leg randomly and try to challenge yourself for 30 seconds. Being on your active toes will help you to do it faster. I'll teach you the next skill now, that is tapping the ball using our head. Toss the ball just above your head, bend your knees, exert the force upwards, apply the force on the ball using your forehead. Your eye should be on the ball. Contact should be exact at the center, bottom of the ball. You can stand keeping your foot parallel, or you can also stand keeping one leg backwards as I am showing it now. We know how quick the attackers will be when they are attacking on the goalpost, so it is important to try to do this drill faster. So I always keep on giving you a challenge to make you better and faster. As we are doing it for ourselves, the contract was at the bottom. In our previous classes, I have also taught you how to do an attacking header. We have finished all our skills for today. We'll quickly review. First, we learned to tap with our lace part, and in the second skill, we learned how to tap with our inner foot, and in the third skill, we learned how to tap the ball using our thigh, and in the fourth skill, we learned how to tap the ball using our forehead. Practicing these skills will also help you to juggle the ball, kicking and trapping the air ball. Like, share, and subscribe Leap Start to get similar videos on football skills. Thank you.